Sa ibang balita, tiniyak ng Malacanang na walang kinikilingan ng Pilipinas sa insidente sa Tubataha Reef. Reaksyon ito ng palasyo sa report na umunoy posibleng pang-espiya ang pagsadsad ng Chinese vessel sa Tubataha Reef. Ayon kay Communication Secretary Ricky Carandang, walang matibay na ebidensya na espionage ang naturang insidente. Sinabi ni Carandang na may sapat na batas ang bansa para papanagutin ang sinumang lalabag sa Tubataha Reef National Park Act. Kaugnay nito, iniutos Aquino ang pagbalangkas ng iba pang hakbangin upang di na maulit ang insidente.
I don't think that's true, and I think that is, I think it's unfair. First of all, those are two separate incidents. They're not apples to apples. One is a military ship of an allied country who is here with our permission, involved in our mutual defense. The other is a private fishing vessel, which was here without permission, which was here for commercial reasons. So clearly, the different natures of these two vessels would necessitate different responses. And I don't think anyone would argue that you treat one the same way as the other, since they're completely different circumstances.